At first light, we lace up our boots again to walk. Rivers are rich with stories, and as the gods of walking would have it, we chance upon one soon enough. Wei Samba is a third-generation farmer who has been working on his family's land since he was 6.
What is he preparing the field for? What's he going to put in?
我这个地我为了种鱼饺。
Can I take a look at your tool?
他想看看你这个锄头。这还不是很重啊，比较轻，比较好。盖一盖。你这块地就要种玉米是吗？啊。
Where does he live now?
里边。
你不能换个家喝水。
Sure.
那行，我们去看一眼。We can take a short break.
你好。
这是你老伴儿是吗？
这是老伴。
啊 ，his wife.
It's another moment of grace on the global walking trail. Wei Samba graciously opens up his home to us.
这是你家自己的枣是吧？
吃一个枣，吃一个魏大哥的枣。
怎么晒一晒了？不晒。
这都是树上的。
没快点下土。
好。表亮。And this is your family.
Yeah, that's him.
Ah, how?
对。
And so he has 1, 2, 3, 4 kids.
这个和这个就是教书的。
哦。
这个也是教书的。这个是个农民。
Farmer.
What I'm seeing before me is migration in at least 2 directions, literally upward from the region's old Yaodong cave houses to modern surface homes, and people moving laterally from rural areas to cities. Another day on the trail, another act of unprompted kindness to strangers. Wei Samba is a testament to that. These encounters keep me stepping forward.
I've never been one who's planned my life. I've never been wired that way, but the walk has obliged me to be even more open to possibility and change and not be upset by it. And I think movement on foot encourages that state of mind where you're just awake and you're ready, you're alert. The moment life becomes too planned, too organized, I think it takes away this delightful element of awe and wonder, the ability to just kind of look at something and be amazed. And on this walk, without any exaggeration, there are amazements, large and often small, every single day for the last 3,600 days of the walk.